Brian Bowersock here, the Automan. Today we're talking about price versus cost of a repair on your vehicle. Now you may say they're exactly the same thing. To be honest, nothing could be further from the truth, totally different. Now price is something that you get, let's say somebody told you need brake pads and rotors replaced. Price would be if you called around and asked to have brake pads and rotors replaced on your vehicle. Now, a lot of folks would say, that's a great thing to ask and find out, and you are right, knowing the price of repair is important. But knowing a couple other things is important too. A quality facility such as the West Automotive Group, we would recommend that you ask things like, are the parts quality that you put on my vehicle? Is your facility AAA approved? What kind of warranties do you supply on parts and labor when you have a vehicle done? Are your technicians certified? Along with, do you run a drug-free environment at your facility? These all have to do with getting a quality repair. Now, as far as cost can go up on a repair. Let's say that you're having an electronic repair done and the repair isn't diagnosed properly and you have to tow the vehicle back, rent a car, etc. That's the end cost. So cost and price can be totally different. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, join the Automan next Friday following News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW San Diego.